Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Grammarly plus Zapier for automated rewrite requests step by step clearly. To set up Grammarly plus with Zapier for automated rewrite requests, start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Zapier website. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap at the top of the dashboard. In the Choose a Trigger app search bar, type and select Gmail as your trigger. Next, choose the trigger event that suits your needs, such as new email. Connect your Gmail account by clicking on Sign In. Once your account is connected, you can customize any filters for specific emails, if necessary. Test the Gmail trigger to ensure it's connected properly. Next, for the action step, search for and select Webhooks by Zapier. Choose the Custom Request option for the action event. In the Method dropdown, select Post. In the URL field, enter the endpoint for the Grammarly API. You will need to refer to Grammarly's developer documentation to find the correct endpoint. In the Headers section, input your authentication details, which can usually be found in your Grammarly account settings. For the Data section, enter the text you wish to rewrite. You can map this field from the email body received in your Gmail trigger. Make sure to format this section correctly as per the Grammarly API requirements. Test the webhook to ensure that it successfully sends a rewrite request to Grammarly. If the test is successful, you will see a response from Grammarly confirming the request. Next, add another action step by clicking on the plus icon below your webhook step. This time, select Gmail again as your action app. Choose the action event titled Send Email. Configure the email settings to send the rewritten text back to yourself or the original sender. In the body of the email, include the rewritten text received from Grammarly. Test this Gmail action to confirm that the email sends with the revised text included. After confirming that everything works as expected, give your Zap a name at the top of the page. Finally, switch the Zaps toggle from off to on to activate your workflow. You have now successfully set up Grammarly Plus with Zapier for automated rewrite requests. This automation will streamline your writing process, allowing you to focus on content creation more effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.